Hello and welcome to Veggie Patch Ideas. As you can see, it's hanging basket mayhem over here, and this is the time of year I love, because this is the time of year we put our strawberries in, for really early strawberries. Now there is nothing quite like a freshly picked strawberry out of a really hot polytunnel, and this is what it's going to give you. The best, possibly the best strawberries you've ever tasted, and if you haven't tried it before, I definitely recommend it. It's one, if you have a polytunnel greenhouse or conservatory, this is for you. Right, okay, so we want to get our hanging basket and we'll fill her up 2/3 of the way with a normal multi-purpose compost, or if you have a free draining sandy loam, that is also good. I like it fairly free draining, so 3/4 of the way. And for my strawberries, I always add a little bit of blood, fish and bone over the top. I don't know why, I just do it. Maybe I like using it. Just gives it that little bit extra. And we'll take our strawberry plants, which we've just taken out of the ground, and some of these are 3 years old, 2 years old, or runners from last year. I don't really separate them, which I should, but I do so many hanging baskets. If a plant starts to fail, then it'll be out. We'll use the runners. It's a new plant, so it'll just keep the life cycle going. So we'll put these in. And I'm going to go 3 per hanging basket. Like so. And then just fill the gaps. That'll do. Give it a shake to bed it down. And then firm it in. You need to add a little bit more compost. Can do at this point, but this one looks pretty full. Now we want to go ahead and tidy this up. So we'll get our scissors and we'll take anything that's brown off it. So and once the sun and the heat hits it in here, you'll see it fly. So anything dead and unwanted, it's going to block the sunlight we don't want. All the runners. And if you've got a struggling strawberry bed that doesn't produce much, then this is what you need to do to just get that harvest back up on its feet. Does shorten the life cycle of the plant, by the way, having it in containers. But if you use the runners for next year, then you've got a free plant, so I wouldn't be too worried about that. Right, okay, so we've taken all the dead, damaged and rotten stuff off. Should look something like this. And we'll go ahead and we'll put some grit over the top. And this will just help with the moisture We don't want to water it on a hot day, then it gets evaporated all at once. And that's one hanging basket complete. Plenty more to do. We'll hang this up and we'll give it a water. Only 4 more to do. And with any hanging basket, don't forget the drainage. So we're all up, we're all done, and these will be absolutely fantastic, really early strawberries, and they'll outcrop anything that you've got in the ground. They'll just keep on going and going and going. If you haven't tried it, please try it. It is an absolute game changer. We'll see you next time.